Bukas ay magaganap na nga ang pinakahihintay ng karamihan, ang bakbakan ng dalawang tinuturing na baddest man on the planet, ang World Boxing Heavyweight Champion na si Tyson Fury at ang Heavyweight UFC Champion na si Francis Ngannou sa isang 10 rounds non-title fight at gaganapin ito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Kilalang the heaviest puncher sa buong mundo itong si Francis Ngannou. Kaya naman, maiilan din ang nagsasabing posibleng may upset ang mangyayari sa bakbakan ng dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Sa isang interview, natanong itong si former heavyweight boxing world champion na si Deontay Wilder na kilalang nakalaban din ng 3 beses ni Tyson Fury kung may pag-asa ba si Francis Ngannou na manalo sa bakbakan. At ang sinabi niya ay malaki ang chance na may upset at mapabagsak ni Francis Ngannou itong si Tyson Fury dahil nagawa na din daw niya itong mapabagsak.
Let's go, Nagalit!
Kasalukuyang may undefeated na kartada itong si Tyson Fury na 33 wins, 0 loss, 24 via knockout, pero sa kanyang karera ay ilang beses na din niyang naranasan ang matumba. November 12, 2011, unang nalasap ni Tyson Fury ang bumagsak. Nakalaban na dito ang kapwa undefeated din na si Nevin Pajkic alias No Surrender na pambato ng bansang Canada. Bagamat nanalo pa din si Tyson Fury via knockout, ay naging controversial naman ang kanyang pagkapanalo. Marami ang nagsasabing early stoppage daw ang naging desisyon ng referee at ang unang pagkatumba din daw ni Pajkic ay questionable dahil ilang beses daw tinamaan ang likod ng ulo ni Pajkic at illegal daw ito. Muli nating balikan ang laban na kung saan unang naranasan ni Tyson Fury ang bumagsak sa bakbakan.
Touch gloves, good luck. Touch gloves. Too many mistakes, you waste years.
He was rocked, and Fury, he always seems to make the heart flutter. Likes to get behind that jab, but Pajkic likes to come out and he put his head down and just came out swinging, and that's what he's...
This is simple. Keep me shortish arms, so if I was Tyson Fury, this man wouldn't get near me, so keep him. Pajkic shouldn't really get near Tyson Fury, because Fury can box, he can punch. He has it all.
Very effectively behind that left jab, and that's what he's trying to do. But again, Pajkic comes moving forward, ungainly, untidy to the big fight of the night. But that's better for...
See, I'm only just guessing here, but I would say that Pajkic can't get off, you know, with the big arm, the big rights, the big lefts, so they want to just maul him and brawl him over the top of him.
Flurry of punches there. None of them accurate from Nevin Pajkic, but you see the look on Tyson Fury's face, a mixture of anger and bemusement. In behind the jab, encouragement at the end of a very, very scrappy opening round here. Opening round, but Fury will hope for more order to his work in this second. This guy will far Fury, but we know all about the power he has. Pajkic with a right hand in response to that left jab from Tyson Fury again. Pajkic looking rises. Now they're starting to exchange. Now Fury opening up, and now he play acts again as he loves to do. Pajkic with a swinging right hand there. Wasn't far away that shot.
Twos and threes. The big left jab works his way in, and then bang, let the big rights go, and the big lefts go, but let them go in twos and threes. That was a dangerous right hand from Pajkic, but Fury took him.
Pajkic has only knocked out 5, certainly with more power. Now that jab was so sharp against Nikolai Fieta. Looked a real weapon, but it hasn't done so far tonight. Oh, Fury is down! Fury is down for the first time in his career! Caught by Pajkic, and now it's a real crisis for Tyson Fury! He's...
And it landed bang on his chin. Fury has to tighten it. What he has to do is here, so Fury wants to come forward, but keep the hands up and let the punches flow, because if he hits Pajkic with that big right hand, he will knock him out.
Is this the big round for Nevin Pajkic here? Fury regrouping and caught again by a right hand there. Holding on now, Fury, at the end of a dramatic round.
be wary of this big overhand right. Here it comes now. Watch this. Bang. Came from the back of the hole. Fury's left hand was down, and that's why he was caught. He's getting a bit careless. It was a cracking punch. Bang, there it goes. Oh, look. 16 stone bang.
Kick certainly ahead in the fight. Of course he is. Fury down in the second, and Fury seemingly in trouble. Can he find an answer, as he has done before? Here comes Pakic again, catching Fury. Pakic with a shot to the body and then a right hook to the head. Has Fury weathered this storm yet?
He's dropping his left hand too low, and he's moving into Tychek's right hand. So what Fury had to do is move to his own right to try and avoid Tychek's overhand right. But he's doing everything right now to sit Tychek or Pakic.
And a right hand that time from Fury, the first time he appears to have had Pakic. It might not be pretty. Everything in each other. Fury with a right uppercut that rocks Pakic to his boots. Follows him with the left hand. Then the left jab from Tyson Fury. Pakic responding with a right hand. He needs to keep up the pressure, Dave.
Yeah, he needs to keep going in there, and he needs to keep dictating the turns here. When he gets that jab going, and then he unleashes that big right hand, he has great success.
Right hand again, and Pakic is rocking again. Fury has Pakic in trouble. He's down in front of us. Back on his feet, but it will be a count. Back on his feet and maybe on the brink of a win here. Big right hand again from Fury, looking for the finish, but Pakic shoots again, and Pakic is down. Brilliant from Tyson Fury here. Pakic on the back foot now.
He's going to have to be careful here because
Left
Tychek.
hook, right uppercut. He stopped it in round three. And Fury wants to carry on. He doesn't want the stoppage. He was furious with the referee, but it stopped in the third.
I think you're better being a wee bit more cautious, because if you wait too long, then a lot of damage can be done. These are great big men in here, and they're very powerful. Look at that. You can see that Pakic, like, he doesn't want to know. He's not responding. That was the first knockdown. Look, he was badly hurt there. And I...
Knocked down, but I get up again. That has to be the motto. And he's got so many fans here who were rocked and shocked when he fell to the canvas in the second. Comes round in front of us and salutes the crowd here in Manchester. And he keeps finding a way to...
Winner and still Commonwealth Heavyweight Champion, Tyson Fury!
Ako nga pala si Kenneth Dober, Philippine Youth Champion sa lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Shoutout nga pala sa channel ni Manoy, 0.2. Like and share, subscribe. Bang!